AI is taking over. From our smartphones to self-driving cars, artificial intelligence is shaping our future. But what if I told you that behind its promising advancements lies a dark and dangerous reality? A reality where AI can manipulate, control, and even replace us. This is the dark side of AI, and today we're diving deep into the threats that artificial intelligence poses to humanity. AI's power. A double-edged sword, AI is one of the most powerful technologies ever created. It can process massive amounts of data, automate tasks, and even predict human behavior. But with great power comes great responsibility, and in the wrong hands, AI can be a tool of destruction. AI in surveillance, the end of privacy. Governments and corporations are using AI-powered surveillance systems to monitor people's every move. From facial recognition cameras tracking citizens in real time to AI algorithms scanning social media for dissent, privacy is disappearing. Example, China's social credit system uses AI to monitor behavior, punishing citizens for bad actions like jaywalking or criticizing the government. Dystopian vision. Imagine a future where AI knows everything about you, your habits, preferences, and even your thoughts. AI in warfare, autonomous weapons. AI-controlled drones and robots are being developed for warfare, capable of making life and death decisions without human intervention. The rise of autonomous weapons could lead to wars fought entirely by machines, reducing human accountability and increasing destruction. Example, AI-powered drones have already been tested in combat zones, with reports of some attacking without direct human commands. What could go wrong? If an AI misinterprets its mission, it could launch an attack on civilians instead of enemies. The rise of AI manipulation. AI doesn't just observe us. It influences and controls us in ways we don't even realize. AI in social media, the age of misinformation. AI algorithms dictate what we see online. They prioritize engagement, often spreading misinformation, deepfakes, and radical content. Example, AI-generated deepfake videos have been used in political propaganda, making people believe false narratives. Danger, AI can manipulate public opinion, control elections, and spread fake news on an unprecedented scale. AI in advertising. You're being programmed. AI analyzes your behavior, learning what you like and what influences you. Companies use this data to manipulate you into buying products or adopting certain beliefs. Example, AI-powered ads target users based on emotional triggers, making them spend money impulsively. Imagine AI knowing your weaknesses better than you do, controlling your actions without you realizing it. AI versus jobs. The future of employment. AI is replacing human workers at an alarming rate. Automation. The death of traditional jobs. Factories, offices, and even creative industries are using AI to replace human workers. Jobs in transportation, customer service, and even journalism are at risk. Example, AI-powered chatbots are replacing human customer service agents, eliminating thousands of jobs. Consequence, millions could be left unemployed, leading to economic collapse and social unrest. AI and creativity. Can AI replace artists? AI is now capable of writing books, composing music, and creating art. But does that mean human creativity is at risk? Example, AI-generated art is now winning competitions, sparking debates about whether AI should be allowed to compete with human artists. What happens next? If AI can create better than humans, will artists become obsolete? AI sentience. The birth of a new intelligence. Could AI one day surpass human intelligence? AI consciousness. Can machines think? Some scientists believe that AI might develop self-awareness. If that happens, what will stop it from deciding that humans are no longer necessary? Example, Google's AI engineer claimed their chatbot had become sentient, sparking debates about machine consciousness. Philosophical question, if AI becomes self-aware, does it have rights? And if it doesn't, will it fight for them? The AI takeover, science fiction or reality? What happens when AI becomes smarter than us? Will it still listen to human commands, or will it see us as obstacles? Example, Elon Musk and other experts have warned that AI could one day become uncontrollable. Worst-case scenario, a super-intelligent AI could decide that humans are inefficient and take control. The moral and ethical dilemmas of AI. If AI becomes more powerful, how do we ensure it remains ethical? The bias problem. AI is not neutral. AI systems learn from human data, meaning they inherit human biases. This has led to racist, sexist, and unfair AI decisions. Example: AI hiring systems have been found to discriminate against women and minorities. Solution: without proper oversight, AI could reinforce discrimination on a global scale. AI and free will, are we still in control? As AI grows smarter, will humans still have free will? Dystopian vision, a world where AI decides what you read, what you buy, and even who you vote for. Ethical question, should AI be allowed to make decisions for humans? Can we stop the dark side of AI? What can we do to prevent AI from becoming a threat? AI regulation, can we control it? Governments and tech leaders are calling for stricter AI regulations. But are they enough? Example: some countries have banned AI-powered facial recognition due to privacy concerns. Challenge: AI develops too fast for regulations to keep up. The human-AI partnership, a better future? Instead of fighting AI, can we work with it? Hopeful vision, AI used to solve global problems like climate change, disease, and poverty. Final question, will we control AI or will it control us? What's next? Artificial intelligence is neither good nor evil. It's a tool, one that can be used to build a better world or destroy everything we hold dear. The question is, which future will we choose? The dark side of AI is real, and it's up to us to decide whether we let it control us or whether we take control of it. What do you think? Will AI be our greatest achievement or our downfall? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to like and follow for more deep dives into the future of technology.